Good evening. My name is Mamta Patil. Today's date is 24th January 2024 and today's topic is Swachh Bharat Mission. In this video we can know Swachh Bharat about a Swachh Bharat mission. A clean India a clean India would be the best tribute India could pay to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary in 2019, said Sri Narendra Modi as a launched the Swachh Bharat mission at Rajpath in New Delhi on 2nd October 2014. Uh, Swachh Bharat mission was launched throughout length and breadth of the country as the national movement. This campaigning aims to achieve the version of a clean India by 2nd October 2019. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in the most significant cleanliness campaigning by the government of India. Sri Narendra Modi lead a cleanliness flash at the India Gate, which about 30 lakh government employees across the country join his also flagged of the vault on Rajasthan and surprised the people by joining is not for a taken few steps but matching with the participation for the long way and while leading the mass environment of cleanliness. The prime minister exhorted people to Mahatma Gandhi dreams of the clean and hygiene India. Sri Narendra Modi was himself invited the cleanliness drive at Mandir Marg police station, and packing up the broom and clean at the dread and marching Swachh Bharat Abhiyan as mass movement across the nation. The Prime Minister said people should neither later nor other later. He gave a mantra on ना गंदगी करेंगे ना करने देंगे. Shri Narendra Modi also invited 9 people to join the cleanliness drive and requested each of them to drive 9 more into the invited. Then by people to participate in the drive, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan turned into a national movement. A sense of the responsibility has been invoked among the people through the Clean India movement, with citizen now being achieved participant at cleanliness activity across the nation. The dream of the clean India, once seen by Mahatma Gandhi has banged to the gate a space. Then the Prime Minister has helped the spread the message of Swachh Bharat using people through his word and action. He carried out the cleanliness drive in a variations and vessels, and the slogan is the एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर. In that drive that can use the slogan. So it is all about the Swachh Bharat mission. Thank you.